Okay, so what are we doing today? How to season your bakeware. Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio. The first thing you do is you start your oven at 250 degrees. Start warming it up now while you prepare your cookware so that it can be sealed. And we're going to give it a good, nice, thick layer. You don't have to put such a thick layer. Okay, now we're going to flip it on the other side, and that side was already clean, and we're just going to apply our oil on it. And it's important to get all of the little areas, because if you don't, then your food is going to stick to that portion of the metal that doesn't have this layer, this patina layer, this oil seasoning. So if you end up cooking some major pancakes with these grill marks on it, you know, some people like that, then you just simply clean it like I showed you, and you can easily re-season it. It doesn't take that much time. Okay, so now these two pans have dried. So what we're going to do next is we're going to oil it. We're going to use a fresh cloth. I like to use its vegetable oil. And you can apply a nice thick layer of oil in the pan. Alright.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.